This brand name is licensed to Daikin Comfort Technologies North America, and the units can be purchased through various retailers such as Walmart, Best Buy, and the Home Depot. The units feature 3 fan speeds and coated coils for corrosion resistance. The AE models have electric heat and an 11.0 EER efficiency rating, while the AH models are heat pumps with a 9.9 EER. The wall-mounted units have 2 fan speeds and are available in cool-only PBC models or heat pump PBH models, and have a 9.8 EER efficiency. All of the units have electronic controls, but they only have an average warranty when compared to the other brands that are available. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.